Pythagorean Theorem, and this time one of the legs is missing. Okay, so just a little reminder, A and B are the legs of the right triangle. So this would be a leg, and this would be a leg, because they make up the right angle. They're the sides that make up the right angle. Okay, hypotenuse, C, is the side opposite of the right angle, so that would be this highlighted in purple, and we have that. So I could start plugging in my values. I know that 15 is the hypotenuse, so I'm just going to put that right under C, and don't forget to put the exponent, 15 squared. Now remember, A and B, the legs are interchangeable. So I have one leg, but I don't have the other. I'm just going to go ahead and decide that 13 is going to be A, and plug that in under A, 13 squared. Plus, and I don't have the other leg, so I'm just going to leave that as B squared. I'll just write B here so I don't forget. Okay, so I know 13 squared isn't 13 times 2, which would be 26. It's 13 times itself twice, which is 13 times 13, 169. B squared, don't have that yet, so I'm just going to drop it down to stay organized. 15 squared, I know, is 225. 15 times 15. This one is a little bit different. I'm going to draw my little divider fence here. Now, I'm trying to get B by itself. So I need to cancel out that 169, that positive 169. So to get that to equal 0, I'm going to do the opposite. I know this is positive, so I'm going to subtract or combine it with a negative 169, however you want to think of it. And that will cancel out and equal 0. I like to cross that out so I forget about it. Whatever I do to one side of the equal sign, I need to remember to do to the other side of the equal sign. So 225 minus 169 is going to give me 56. Bring down the B squared. And remember, you're not quite done yet. You want to get B by itself. So to get rid of that exponent or cancel it out, I want to do the opposite of squaring a variable and take the square root. And that'll get B by itself. Whatever you do to one side, you have to do the other. So 56, well, the square root of 56, ooh, that's a nasty decimal. I'm just going to round that to, well, on my calculator I got 7.483331, and so on. It keeps going. So I'm just going to round that to 7.5 because that 8 next to the 4 bumps it up to a 5. So now I have my missing side length up here. So I know that that missing leg or that missing side length is, I don't really have room to write it up here, so I'm just going to write it over here. I know it is about 7.5 yards. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching.